Collaborative outlining. Group writing's secret sauce. Hello learners! In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of collaborative writing. Collaborative writing is when two or more individuals come together to produce a single written document. One key technique that enhances the efficiency of collaborative writing is group outlining and planning. So, let's get started. Group outlining and planning is the process where all collaborators come together to plan and outline their piece before diving into the writing process. This approach ensures 1. Consistency. Everyone has a clear direction and understanding of the content. 2. Efficiency. Reduces time spent rewriting or editing due to confusion or misunderstandings. 3. Teamwork. Allows every participant to have a say, fostering a sense of ownership and unity. Why is this method so crucial for collaborative writing? Shared vision. Collaborators align on the central theme, voice, and direction of the piece. Dividing tasks. Once an outline is clear, tasks can be divided based on strengths or expertise. Fewer revisions. A clear outline means fewer changes later, saving time and effort. Embarking on a group outlining session? Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Brainstorming session. Allow all members to voice their ideas freely. The more ideas, the better. 2. Structure formation. Decide on a beginning, middle, and end. Where will the story or content start and how will it conclude? 3. Assigning sections. Divide the outline among participants. Ensure that everyone is comfortable with their assigned section. 4. Set deadlines. Deadlines keep everyone accountable and ensure the project stays on track. 5. Review as a group. Once everyone drafts their section, come back together to ensure consistency and flow. Like every technique, group outlining isn't without challenges. But, we've got solutions. Challenge. Differing opinions on direction. Solution. Vote or appoint a mediator for decisions. Challenge. Difficulty in deciding the final outline. Solution. Start with a broad outline and refine it in subsequent meetings. Challenge. Unequal participation from members. Solution. Rotate leadership or ensure regular check-ins to keep everyone engaged. Group outlining and planning is an invaluable technique in collaborative writing, ensuring efficiency, unity, and clarity. With the right approach, any team can master this technique and produce impeccable written pieces. We hope this video has been informative, and you're now excited to try group outlining in your next collaborative writing venture. Happy writing!